Have a good day everyone. Today we will see set to ByLayer command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Current layer column, color ByLayer, thickness ByLayer, pattern ByLayer. Okay, let's see. Line, enter. Okay, now change color, select line, change color, blue, select line, change line thickness 0.4, select line, change line pattern, center, go properties, line type scale 200, enter. Okay, now we can set to ByLayer. Go modify, set to ByLayer, select object, enter, click yes. Okay, now line, color ByLayer, thickness ByLayer, pattern ByLayer. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.